Yeah, so we're in Girt right now as part of the Seabright to Manasquan portion of the Coastal Storm Risk Management Project. It's an active nourishment project filling beach to try and provide some shore protection from coastal storms. This project's been going on since the late 90s and is slated to continue until around the 2047 to 2049 timeframe. We've also worked previously this year in Elberon. We'll be moving up to Monmouth Beach as well. And we're moving about 1 million cubic yards of sand as part of this effort. Obviously, we're along the Jersey Shore and the northern Monmouth County coast. There's a ton of development right up until the edge of the beach here. So, you know, the sand, the beach berm and dune that we're placing here is supposed to protect from any sort of large, major storm events and smaller storm events as well. Keep water from flowing into homes, into streets, causing havoc along the immediate shoreline here. Yeah, so we want to thank New Jersey DEP, who's our non-federal sponsor on the project. They're our non-federal sponsor on a lot of shore projects. We have a ton of work together. We've been cooperating. They've been a cooperating agency with us for a number of years now, and we're hoping that we can continue that really close connection and keep bringing some stability to the shoreline up here.